Hello, hello, it's Mrs. Gresham. Time to review our daily word problem. Here is our problem for the day. Dr. Escoto had 6 lollipops on her desk. Later in the day, she found 4 more lollipops. How many lollipops does Dr. Escoto have now? One more time, Dr. Escoto had 6 lollipops on her desk. Later in the day, she found 4 more lollipops. How many lollipops does Dr. Escoto have now? So we need to figure out, what is this problem asking us to do? Are we going to add or are we going to subtract? What do you think? You are correct. We are going to add. Good job, boys and girls. And I know that because it says she had 6, and then later in the day she found 4 more. And we want to know how many she has now. Okay, so the first strategy that we're going to use to solve this problem is we're going to draw a picture. But before I can draw this picture, what numbers were important in my problem? How many lollipops did she start with? Good, she started with 6 lollipops, and then she got some more. How many more did she get? Well, she got 4 more. So, I'm going to draw 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then she got 4 more. So here's her 6. And then she got 4 more. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. So she has 6 and she has 4. And if I put 6 and 4 together, how many do I have? Well, got to figure that out, right? So let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 6 and 4 equals 10. So she had 6 on her desk, she got 4 more later in the day, and now she has 10 lollipops altogether. Great job. Our number sentence would look like this. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Great job. Okay, this other way we're going to do today is called counting on, which is very similar to drawing a picture. It can be. But I know that I started with 6. So I'm going to put this inside my brain or inside my thinking bubble. Okay, so I had 6 and then she got 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now all I have to do is I have to count on. So I start at 6 and I go 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. So I went 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many lollipops does she have? 10. Great job. So my number sentence is going to say 6 plus 4 equals 10. Excellent job. I hope you got this answer. I hope you were able to draw a picture, or maybe you practiced counting on. Maybe you wrote a 10 frame. Maybe you did a number line. There's so many different strategies, but pick a strategy that works for you, that you know how to use so that you can get the correct answer when we're solving our word problems. Great job today, boys and girls. Keep practicing at home. We miss you and we love you. Bye.